In this video, I show you how to fix the error message, "This accessory may not be supported on this iPhone." If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's go and jump straight into this guide. Here we are on my iPhone and let's get right into these fixes. So the first thing you need to do is go and check your iPhone port is clear of any debris. It's pretty common because you're trying to go and connect this device into your phone. It could be a dongle, it can literally be a cable, it could be anything. Sometimes muck and particles can go in your phone port from your pocket and just when it's being used. And it's basically going to go and block the connectors. Some of the connectors may still work. So for example, chargers may still work, but some of like the reading information connectors may be sort of blocked up. So what you want to do is go and use a non-metal object like a toothpick or something like that and try and pry out anything, any sort of particles or just general debris in there. So definitely try that and be careful with it because it can damage your iPhone, but it's quite a common issue. The next thing you want to do is make sure the iPhone and the product you're plugging in are actually compatible. This is quite a common reason for why it may not be working. So you can do that by simply just going and searching, is my iPhone and the product compatible? And you can also go and try contacting the manufacturer to see if it is compatible with your iPhone. However, you may go and get a message saying this accessory may not be supported, but in reality it says that, but it's still going to work. If you know what you want to do with this product, then what's worth trying is just trying to do what you want to do with it. For example, go and open the app that it's used for and go and see if it works, because sometimes you'll get this pop-up, but it's still going to work absolutely fine. Now the next thing that's worth trying is going and testing the product on another iPhone to go and see if it works, to go and see if the product's not working or if it's your iPhone. If you go and find out the product still doesn't work on another iPhone, then it's probably a sign the product doesn't work. However, if it does go and work on the other iPhone, then it's a sign that it's your iPhone which isn't working. And so if the product doesn't work on other iPhones as well, then it probably means the product doesn't work and it's worth contacting the manufacturer. However, if it does work on another iPhone, then it's maybe a sign that your iPhone is actually the problem. To go and fix that, it could be worth restarting your iPhone and updating it. To go and restart it, all you need to do is hold the power button and the increase volume button, just like so. And as you can see, we've now got this option to go and slide to power your phone off. So literally drag that across and go and power it off. And then it'll take a few seconds to power off. And then what you can do is go and turn your iPhone back on. And to do that, all you need to do is hold the power button on the side of your phone. And then you go into the Apple logo and your device will restart. Make sure your iPhone is up to date, because if it's quite a new dongle, then it may be needing like a new version of iOS. So to do that, go and open up your settings like so, scroll down to general, and in general, you can then go and tap on software update, and it's going to go and check if there are any available updates. I'm pretty sure I have one. As you can see, here it is. So then I should go and download and install this to go and see if that fixes the problem. And so if things still aren't working, then it's just worth contacting the manufacturer of the product because they're going to be able to go and provide you some more information as the issue may have occurred with other customers and they may know a fix themselves or why it may be happening. So yeah, definitely worth trying contacting them. If you guys found this useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.